Right, quick video on how to edit the home screen on your new Land Rover Defender 2020. Now, one thing that's really annoying us is when we select, why are we doing this, right? So when we select the terrain response here and go to wading, because we've been driving through some floods recently, bam, and go on to wading, it doesn't change the display. So I'm in wade mode, so what I have to do to get the wade information up is I need to go on to the apps, and then I need to go on to wade sensing, and annoyingly I then need to wait, and I need to go okay, and then right, and then it gets there, and that is the super deluxe screen. Now there's a sort of pseudo shortcut it appears, and you can edit the home screen, so that's what I'm going to do. So let's go back to the home screen. Now if you slide your home screen to the right, you get this little pencil here, and if you touch that pencil, you can see at the moment I've got the navigation, the phone and the music, and that's the default settings that you see. Now we can add here wade sensing. Okay, so if you grab that tile and put it up there, I've now got wade sensing, and you can view 3 tiles. So I'm actually going to put slope assist, so I'm going to create myself a little 4x4 one there. So I've got the main 3 there, and then I've got these sort of 4x4 ones, and actually if you look, the only ones I haven't got are 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's actually, you've got to decide not so much which ones you want as to which one you don't want. Now I'm never fussed with weather, so actually these last, I'm going to put compass on that last spot there, then I'm going to leave weather, I'm not fussed about that, and we're going to have like more like eco driving ones here, and then put that there, right? So you can see the order. Now I guess you can move the order. It seems pretty intuitive, this, so you can move or slide them around, and if you don't want one in anymore, you can just drag it back down again, right? So there we go, but I want that back, so let me put the driving style back up there, right? So that's pretty cool. And now what you get is when you go back here, exit that edit screen, the home screen looks the same, but now when you slide, you get the next 3 tiles. Oh, I've only gone in there. So there we go. So hold on. There we go. So now I've got the wade sensing, slope assist. Now I don't know if you click on wade sensing, whether it then, yeah, then it takes you straight to the thing. So that's really good. So we can go douche, douche. So that's what we're going to do. Right. So we are going to go and try and find some floods and see if we can test this. But so that's the 3 that I've set up as my more off-road driving. And then if we go here, then if we're interested in more eco stuff and compass randomly, then we can look at this screen here. So there you go. I suggest you set that up, because by default only having the 3 and not being able to scroll across is not that handy. Right, let's go and find some floods. Right, we found some flooded road, so we are going to put it in, let's put it in wading mode. Okay. Right, and let's start wade program selected.
Let's go on the off-road menu as well.
Right, and let's see if that, let's have a look at that little menu. So that was quick to get to there, wasn't it? That was just a quick slide across. Now I think we're up higher than we were yesterday. So is it actually giving us any reading on there, George? Or?
I don't think so.
No. But touch it.
There we go.
Right, wading in ice because it's cold again. Let's have a look how this road's looking, Joe. Anyone? This is higher than yesterday, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, so how high are we getting now?
It's doing the below 6 miles
below,
an hour.
yeah, that's annoying. Why can't they show me the wading? Right, anyone stuck round the corner today, George, or no? It looks like no BMW's decided to drive through here today. Go back to the other screen, George, and see if it's showing any. So that wade sensing is there, so it's only there as a shortcut. It's annoying. It doesn't. Is it showing us any depth, George?
I don't know. It's not like the slope assist, which is kind of always updating.
Yeah.
It seems to be static.
We've got there. It's showing us our lock, but yeah, that's quite. So it's only really giving you a shortcut to that. It's not actually showing you the live information that I would suggest, which is kind of annoying, really, because they got room there to actually show you the data. So it's a quicker shortcut, but it doesn't seem to be showing the live data. But let's just show you those other screens. So this is our driving. What am I there? Look at my driving, 98%. Look, there you go. 12 miles per gallon doesn't sound good, but there we go. So have a play with those. Good luck with that.